Welcome back to my vlog. Going to Sunny Isles at the Ritz-Carlton.
He's looking to sell his house, right? And he wants to find something bigger.
I have a hole, can you just fix it? Like, no, you have to. You have to get a new tire. We have a groundbreaking of 1428. It's a great project in Brickell area. B is on the 51st floor. And we had a couple of sales there. Well, our clients, I'm sure they will be happy because it's really great project. Luxurious penthouse. Here's my growing star. Good morning. Welcome back to my vlog. By the way, if you remember the house, actually I ended up renting it. I showed it to you last time at one of the vlogs. It's a beautiful place. I kind of fell in love with it because, you know, sometimes you see the houses, they're like modern boxes and you don't feel that energy. So I checked the house with you, by the way, first time. Then I called my wife. I said, look, there's a house, we like it. You want to take a look? I like it. You want to take a look? She looked and she decided this is the place we want to stay. Next time I'll give you a tour because right now it's still a little bit a mess, to be honest. And next time when everything is ready, I'll give you a tour and we'll show you how it looks like. After we moved in and packed with our furniture and decorated and all this stuff. And now we're actually going to see, today is a great day going to be, by the way. And we're going to see one of the, I would say, most unique penthouses in Miami area. And we're going to Sunny Isles at the Ritz-Carlton with the gorgeous views to south. Here's my growing star. Hi. Interesting. Usually she does not like when we take a picture of her videos, but now she seems like, what is that? It's interesting. Okay, let's go. I'll show you that penthouse. But first things first, we're going to fix my tire. By the way, on this car, it happens like very often. I don't know why is that. Maybe it's a curse or something. No, honestly, it's one of the best cars that I've been driven so far. I mean, like, obviously, that rely, right? Never happened anything to it. It's a really great car. And I'm about to change it. I already get emotional about it, to be honest. No, but it's a great car. Never anything happened to it. Just flat tires. And interesting thing, when you go to those tire centers and you tell them, look, I have a hole, can you just fix it? Like, no, you have to. You have to get a new tire. And then you go to somewhere else, not the tire center, right? And they fix it for 20 bucks. But it happens often. So anyway, we're going there. I'm going to fix the tire first. Then I have to change my phone. As you can see, can you see? Yes. I got to change it. I'm one of those guys who's been using this phone for, I mean, like with a crack for, I guess for a month at least, or maybe two. And I do have full Apple Care plus insurance. I can go anytime and they will just replace it or change it. But I decided I'm just gonna go and get a new one because my mom is coming and I need a phone for her as well. So a couple of things. After that, to penthouse, most beautiful penthouse, to be accurate. And today also we have a groundbreaking of 1428. It's a great project in Brickell area. And we had a couple of sales there. Well, our clients, I'm sure they will be happy because it's really great project. And I'll be honest with you, we don't, not just because I'm trying to like sound like, hey, we are one of the best ones or something like that. No, but we try not to sell anything to our clients. For example, there is some of the projects, we don't even touch them. We don't even offer them to our clients. I see they've been sold out within like so quickly, but there is a 700 units and what are you going to do with it once the project is finished? How are you going to resell it? There is no value in it. But look, it is what it is. Everybody choose whatever they want to.
If you want it, I can take it out
Yeah, but if you fix it, it's $20 or something, $25.
If I found something,
Yeah, sounds good.
25.
Yeah,
Okay,
let's go.
put it back.
Put it back, put it back, put it back. Jimmy Springer. So I'll tell you the story that happened to me with the same type of, how to say that, professionals. A couple of days ago, I think it was last week. So the same issue, right? I had a flat tire. I mean, it's not really flat, but it's losing air. I came to guy and he told me, no, you don't have any nails. I'm like, man, I just put some air in my tire because it was flat. I came from South Beach, like 15 minutes drive. I came to here to lose half of the air in there. And he's checking it and he's like, no, everything is good. I'm like, man, thank you very much. I appreciate your feedback, but it's not good. Can you just like really not just look at it, but can you do something more? And when he checked, I guess with some other tools, he found out there is actually a hole in the tire and he fixed it and everything was good. So I was kind of, how to say that? I don't even know what a proper word to use. I was not shocked, right? Because it happens very often, especially in Miami. When you come to professional, you expect he will take care of you, and then you have to tell him what he needs to do. It is what it is, but look, it's a life. It's interesting. Same thing when you sit in Uber. Thanks God they have what do you call it, navigation now, right? But even now they sometimes ask what to do. Hold on, I gotta go back. Boss is calling me. Let's see if he found something or not. Wheel lock, it's somewhere on the back, my friend. Sam, can you get your... Did you move to my car? I don't even know what to say. This is what I do, like, every day, fixing tires, flat tires. By the way, run flat tires, one of the best tires. I had it on my other cars. I think BMWs, like, even if you have a nail, you can drive for like forever. That's what I did. I mean, you have to fix it, but welcome to most beautiful penthouse that you ever seen. This is the Ritz-Carlton Residences in the Sunny Isles Beach and Penthouse 5101. First, if you ever saw bees on the 51st floor, please tell me where, because this is my first time where I see bees that high. And honestly, I'm impressed. I can smell these flowers and that garden. I can tell you, this is pretty unique. And the owners, they did a really great job. You have your own garden, you have your own pool, 2,800 square feet of outdoor terraces. Just this terrace, 2,800, I'm sorry. And you have other terraces as well. Kitchen, summer kitchen with a grill and anything that you just can imagine of. And look at the view. Let me show you briefly what we have inside, and then we'll go to groundbreaking of 1428 in Brickell. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Views, magnificent, breathtaking views from every angle of this luxurious penthouse. 14 feet ceiling height, 8,000 square feet, 4-bedroom, maid room, entertainment area, movie theater, office, and of course every room has own bathroom, has the closets. Look at the kitchen, top of the line appliances, humongous. Gorgeous marble table that can fit all your friends and family. Look at this living area. I mean, you can entertain your whole family. Probably you can put 20 people. I guess when I'll be a grandpa, I also have family large enough, I can get something like this size. Movie theater right here, right behind the kitchen. Everything that you can imagine of. And it's built out, fully furnished, and it's been done by Artifact. By the way, it is for rent, asking price $180,000. I'm not gonna show you the whole place. You can watch it in my different, not a vlog, but the separate property tour, the full tour of this beautiful place. And now we're going to groundbreaking.
So, how are you? He's looking to sell his house, right? And he wants to find something bigger because his place is a bit small.
Yes. Yes, exactly.
And it's the house in waterfront in Normandy, right? Not
Yes.
far from David's house. Okay. Okay, that sounds good. Can you ask him when he has a time to meet us?
I tried, to fix a meeting, but he told me that unfortunately, because
What did he say about the meeting?
he told me that he won't be available until the end of November because
End
of
of
Thanksgiving.
But can you stay on top of him and see? Is he in Miami, right? He's here now.
Yes, he is in Miami,
Okay.
just not being available because he told me he is busy.
Again on the event because it's going to be very nice. They will love it. It's a beautiful space on the ocean. There will be live music, like very great food, bites, drinks. They will love it. It's going to be a very nice evening, and art as well, of course. That's what it's about. So try to, because
Yes,
the thing is, the end of the month is far away, and if you can make it on 21st, we can briefly talk to him about his property. So okay, hopefully they can make it. Yeah.
Yes.
Check this out, ultra luxury is on the rise. White tag.
Yeah, how are you?
Good, man, good to see you.
Welcome.
It's still happening?
Yeah, of course.
Good. How are you, man?
Welcome. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Dennis.
I like your
Oh, thank you. Thanks.
Smykalov, yeah?
Yes, welcome
You good?
in.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you very much.
It understands design, understands the world, the markets, but all of them are acceptable explanations. We like them all, especially when there's light, like in Miami. And we're lucky with a city of natural light.
Focus on the pillars of superior design, craftsmanship.
I hope it's food in there.
I hope
No, I'm just kidding. Thank you very much. Okay, it's already 5 o'clock. I just finished with that groundbreaking event and no time to pick up the phone. I think I'll just order it online. Let me see if there's, by the way, Sam just told me there's a chance I have to wait for it since it's a new iPhone, but I don't believe. I think they're available. Let's see. 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max. I think I need Pro Max. Big one. Color. Gold. I'll take black. 256 should be enough. Deliver November 15. View back. Check out. Check out with Apple Pay. That's it. Ta-da-da-da. All set. Delivers. Instead of going to the store, it's better to get it delivered. And now I'm going home. Almost days over. That's it for today. It was a very long day. If you stayed with me till the end, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any comments, please mention them. I always happy to hear feedback. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time in my vlog, or I'll see you here in Miami. Bye.